this is first job openings. Just scan the QR code to register yourself. 22 February is the mega drive, which is in Chennai, and this is for the cloud and DevSecOps engineers. So today job openings that we're going to share will be for the cybersecurity peoples as well for the developers. So 14th February is the registration closing date. So you can register from here 8 to 10 CTC. That's what you can expect. It's for fresher as well. 24, 25 pass out is something will be considered. Required skills is excellent communication, good business acumen. So that's cool. Uh, Specification any. So this is the place where the interview will be conducted, and uh, just call this number if you want any assistant, if you want any guidance, something, whatever you want, you can reach them and can discuss exactly what are things they're looking for, right? So now let's move to the next opening. So next opening is basically as a network engineer in touch. Okay, so they're looking for L2, L3 in Bangalore, 3 to 4 years of experience is required. CCNA certified is important, right? This is ankita.thakur@intertouch.com is the mail ID from where you can look into, right? Next opening is as SOC analyst, 3+ years of experience is required. Bangalore, 15 days, immediate joining. This is the mail ID where you can drop. There are a couple of works that need to be done. Work is responsibility threat analyst, threat hunting, SIM, SOC, security operations center, senior security operations analyst. So most probably you'll be working with the Splunk, QRadar, whatever SOC tools are there, and network protocols. You mostly have to interact with the network. Okay, so just check accordingly all this thing and then accordingly apply, right? Now the next opening is basically in Datix. Oh, it's in Pakistan. Fuck. Pakistan is struggling already. Keep it out. Next is in Mac consultant, Mac MCH. So looking for there are a couple of job openings, which is helpdesk L1, helpdesk L2, network engineer, SAP, ABAP, and Flori consultant, security monitor analyst, security monitoring engineers, system engineers. So it's in Qatar. If you want to move there, you can. This is mail ID. If you want to ask any question, whatever you have, you can. Okay, and just do accordingly. Apply. 14th is the date before when you drop your resume. Kindly mention the job code in the mail subject. Okay, there are codes. Whatever job you want to apply, just drop in the subject line, and then accordingly write what job you're applying and all those things. Description box. Next opening is for again developers. So front end developer again, a red teamer and security analyst associate the position. That's what they're looking for. Companies C3I Hub. Okay, so these are things, and this is the mail ID, and this is a link. Just check out this link from where you can apply, and this is the company page from where you can apply through company page, right? This is good. Check out accordingly. Now next opening is in Voltro. Okay, they are looking for DevOps engineer. Okay, 3 to 5 years experience is required. They are going to offer you health insurance, performance bonus, appraisal up to 2 years. Okay, up to two per years. That's good. Excellent working environment. Oh, again it's in Lahore. Sorry. It's in Lahore, so not a scope. Another is in Dexian, support technician. This is what they are looking for. On-site Canada work is to just do accordingly, right? Now that's all for today. If you have any questions, please go ahead according.